Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 4th of January. And first of all, national news. Ahead of Ram temple opening, rise in e-rickshaw demanded helping Ayodhya. Notice to center 11 states on play claiming caste discrimination in jails. G20 portal saw 16 lakh cyber attacks a minute during summit in September. Center. Lioness hit by goods train in Gujarat survived with minor injuries. India to launch its first satellite on SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Aviation body DGCA took 542 actions against airlines in 2023. Pearls in wild, 3 cubs born to Namibian cheetah in Kuno National Park. S. Jaishankar to embark on day 2 visit to Nepal, focus on expanding ties. International news 379 passengers miraculously escaped Japan jet fireball. Supreme Court backed SEBI clean chit to Adani Group in Hindenburg case, no SIT probe. Smartphone users want to delete dangerous applications. Pakistan court restored order depriving Imran Khan's party of bat symbol. Nikesh Arora, once Google's highest paid executive, is now a billionaire. The most on time airline in 2023 filed for bankruptcy in 2020. And now some sports news. Sri Lanka named different captains for Test, ODI, and T20 sides. Suryakumar Yadav in running for ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of Year, Yashasvi Jaiswal for emerging. Mohan Bagan part ways with the coach Juan Fernando. Antonio Habas took charge. Business related news. SBI raised $1 billion in syndicated loans. Sensex Nifty ended lower for second day as HDFC Bank enforces RIL way. PTC Industries approved preferential shares issue for Rs 141 crore. Vodafone Idea's senior executive P. Balaji resigned. US bond stocks plunge extended ahead of data, markets drop. Adani Hindenburg case SCBI conducted comprehensive investigation, Supreme Court said. And that's all in news. Thank you.